Okay.
All right, so hi Chris, what are you doing? Why don't you buy her a CD? She loves music. I am looking for a birthday present for Emma. All right. No, but all right, but she prefers download music. She never, all right, buy CDs. Then, well, what about book? She blank a lot. All right, she reads a lot. Then, all right, yes, I am looking forward to it. Okay, good idea. Are you getting? All right, so me too. See you later then. All right, so we are already done in our discussion tonight. So tomorrow, let's have another lesson. And tonight, Elena, what did you learn in our discussion?
I learned about how to use present continuous and present simple.
All right, so you know how to use present simple words and present continuous. So always remember that present simple, we use the present simple to talk about regular action or events. Example, I always go to bed at 10 o'clock. Then we use the present simple to talk about a general fact or something that is always true. Example, doctors earn a lot of money. Tigers live in India. So they are using regular actions or events. Then the present continuous, we use the present continuous to describe an action or event happening at this moment. So Sally is wearing, right? Right? Change to ing or adding ing. Sally is wearing a beautiful blue dress. Then we use present continuous to describe an action or event happening around this time. Example, I'm learning French at evening classes. Okay. Then what did you learn? Another thing? Elena?
Yeah.
What else did you learn for tonight's discussion?
How to write
You know how to
the
describe?
present, how to write present continuous and present simple sentence.
Okay, so you learn a lot from our discussion tonight about what is our title, our lesson? Okay, about present continuous, contrast, present simple, and present continuous. So tomorrow, we will have another discussion about listening catwalk fashion. Okay, so for now, thank you very much for participating in our class. I hope that tomorrow has another interesting this class. Okay, so for now, bye bye and good night, Elena.
Goodbye, see you again.
See
Have
you
a nice night.
tomorrow.
Bye.